Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a login screen in Thunkable. First, you will design the user interface. Drag and drop two text input components onto your screen, one for the user's email and another for their password. Remember to set the password input's secure text entry property to true. Next, add a button for logging in or signing up, and a label to show any feedback or error messages to your users. This foundational layout is crucial for a smooth user experience. Now, let's connect your app to a powerful backend service like Firebase for secure user authentication. Begin by setting up a new project in your Firebase console. Within Firebase, enable the email and password sign-in method. Then, locate your project's API key and database URL. These two pieces of information are essential. Navigate to your Thunkable app settings and paste the copied API key and database URL into the designated Firebase fields. This establishes the vital link between your app and its user data. With Firebase connected, it's time to build the authentication logic using Thunkable's blocks. For new users, utilize the Firebase sign-up block, passing the email and password from your text inputs. For returning users, employ the Firebase sign-in block. Crucially, include conditional logic to verify that a new user's entered passwords match before account creation. Upon successful login or sign-up, store the unique user ID and email and app variables for later use, personalizing their experience. Finally, manage the user's journey after they interact with the login screen. Upon successful authentication, use the Navigate to block to send them to a welcome or home screen. If an error occurs, like incorrect credentials or a weak password, display a clear message using your error label. For convenience, you can add a Keep Me Signed In option, saving user data in stored variables. For added security, consider implementing email verification, ensuring only legitimate users access your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.